Hi, my name is Simon Kneafsey and I'm a professional Scrum Trainer with Scrum.org and the ScrumMaster.co.uk. My clients include Google, NASA, the United Nations, Toyota, Coca Cola and Microsoft. I've been using Scrum for 15 years and teaching people how to use it for 10 years. I'm on a mission to simplify Scrum for 1 million people. I've taught over 10,000 people so far and I can help you too. This video course is designed to simplify Scrum for you. It will help you learn about and start to use Scrum with your team and organisation. It will also help prepare you for taking an assessment on from one of the main Scrum organisations. The course includes over 30 lessons and practice assessments to let you evaluate your understanding. Upon successful completion of the course, you will receive a certification from the ScrumMaster.co.uk. You can also take a 10% discount on any of our live, virtual or in-person courses in future.